Hello and welcome to my shed. If you're watching this, yep, it's a very small shed with something interesting in the middle. Yeah, ta-da. I don't know how big you're meant to have a model railway, or how small you're meant to have a model railway, or how much detail you need a model railway. I'm still doing the detail work. Yep, my station is over there. Yep. Sorry about the shaky camera work. Use two hands. Yes, I know what you're thinking. It's named after a toilet cleaner. Yes, it is. Yep, that's it. If you're wondering what that's doing, that is blocking a hole the size of a 2p piece. My little shunting yard. Actually does work really well. One of my favourite locos, my Hall class. I wouldn't mock it. This bit I'm still working on. This is hard, turn around. Yes, sorry about the light. An old Corgi tractor, combine holster, sorry, combine holster. Got loads of them in the shed somewhere. Find another one. Should cut that a little bit more finer. Yes, if you're wondering, the track is laid on top of the ballast, so easy to remove if I have to be thrown out of this shed. Yeah, point work is a bit still needs point motors. I haven't got far to that. Signalling I'm still doing. My 5600 works really well on my small first radius bend straight. First radius bend. Yes, it's first and second radius bends. An old Thomas a Tank train set and an old Intercity 225 train set. Well, I did have a bigger shed before I built this one and this little shed, but the roof, well, it collapsed. Long and horrible story. I was going to put a water feature in it. Unfortunately, the water feature was actually a real water feature. Yeah, I still got to do some more detail work. I mean, I don't know how big you're meant to have a model railway, but this does me to the ground. My HM 2000, sorry. Damn beautiful piece of equipment. All analogue. This is for my shunting bit. That's really funny. My Metcalf kit's on the wall work. We're in a cardboard. Well, I nicked out work. Metcalf Roding. I know this looks a bit cheap and cheerful, but well, it's cheap and cheerful. I'm on a budget. These buildings, I know they're Scalcraft. With that one there and that one there, that was the only two that survived the previous layout because they never got out of the box. Yeah, road crossing it keeps everything secure somehow. Trap pins are already in, but it was a bastard to put the trap pins in. Ooh. Sounds like my cat's on the roof again. Yep, there's an old Sid's calf. My little brother got it from my old last of summer wine name. He actually built that sign. Quite impressive. Nope. Does me to the ground what I wanted to do on it. Sorry about the shaky camera work. It's hard when you're kneeling down on a table and chair and. Right. My new locos. Yeah, well, LFX brake van. Most of these all mainline trucks and trucks. A couple of Hornby Railroad models, like the Hall. One reliable loco, I must admit. 4F from my previous layout. Patriot, I don't know why he bought that. My little brother. Yeah, my 5600. It's the last train I bought. Now I'm rambling on. Oh, yeah, Hornby signal box with Metcalfe around the side of it. Well, that's quite reliable. Cardboard's falling off the edges of it. It's quite well. When you look at it at a distance, you don't tell. You can't tell. No, it does what I want on the tin. I'll just sit here, read my book, watch my trains go by. I think that building's a bit too big for the layout, but what can you do? You get friends giving you buildings, and you can't tell them what to get you because you don't want to upset them. Sorry about the shoddy camera work. Alright, that's it for me for now. Maybe more videos to come.